All right, so we did our second coat and I messed up and hit the wrong button and I ended the video, so I'm gonna have to do, this will be the video number 2 on the white gloss coating. As you remember from the first video, there were lines, dark black lines on the edges where it's really sharp. Again, I said I've heard that you can kind of sand those out, round them out a little bit so that it's not so cut. As you can see, it's very straight, so the powder melts away from those edges and you get the metal showing up behind it. So we did a first coat. I did a really light coat, honestly. I mean, it's so light these weren't even covered up here. And then we just did our second coat. I'm hoping it will kind of build up a little bit. We'll see what happens. I don't have a lot of experience doing stuff that has really sharp, fine lines, but we'll see if this works. If you have any better ideas other than sanding, make sure to send me a message or comment below. But I'm going to try and pause this and pick it back up when we pull it out of the oven. We'll see how it looks. All right, so these just came out of the oven, and as you can see, it's moving, but the coverage is much better. So it appears that works pretty well. I guess, like I said, I haven't had to deal with, we do a lot of wheels here, so I haven't had to deal with hard lines on whites and other gloss colors. I'm sure like farmer's green, which is like John Deere green, all that kind of stuff. It pulls from those edges and it gets really hard to get good coverage. So these look really good, so we're gonna put them back in, hit our cure schedule, and then they'll be good to go. So I just want to do a quick video to show you what happens when you have those hard lines like that and on the edge of those teeth, what to do. And I was kind of experimenting along here with you, but I'm really happy with the way that looks and the coverage. So like I said, if you have any other methods you guys use, or if you're just here to watch, that's awesome too. But make sure to subscribe so you can keep seeing our videos. I do apologize, it's been really long. We've just been swamped here. We picked up a couple new wholesale accounts with dealerships, and they've just been keeping us really busy, cranking out wheels all week. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to subscribe once again, and we'll see you on the next one.